Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any paint chips. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Okay, everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing much, but just a chip right here. Let's take a look at the driver fender as well. Right, this fender does have a scratch here. The wheel is in excellent condition. Move on to the driver door. Everything on this door looks fine. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the car. The back bumper looks perfect, no scratches here at all, and along the back looks well. Everything here is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything on this door looks fine, no dents, no scratches. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside. Okay, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Everything here looks fine. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.